welcome back to our show, and here's Mike with today's weather.
Pretty much everywhere, it's gonna be hot. Shut it?
Thanks, Mike. Did you know that statistics are now showing that rock music is the driving force leading people to the Lord?
You know that guy. You know that freezes freaks for Jesus freaks for Jesus freak. He's always got a Bible. Don't get too close and he can't do any harm. I love it he's such a pussy. I'm a freak for Jesus. Freak for Jesus. I'm a Jesus. For Jesus. Jesus. I'm a Jesus. I'm a Scatman. Scatman. I'm a Jesus freak. He's always talking to me about that holy book. I tried to show him gay porn. He wouldn't even look. He holds the doors for girls. He holds the doors for girls. Why you bagging? He's all bagging. Jesus overrated at that holy book's full of shit. The girls seem to like him and you know he's not a geek. I'm bagging for Jesus. Bagging for Jesus.
Feel a chance that my love, she just a girl.
I'm proud to say for Christ, I'm all bagging. Hear me witness, I am.
I'm not gay. I don't even really fuck with niggas cause I'm not queer. Dropped out of high school, started robbing niggas in the same year.
We interrupt this broadcast to bring you a special news bulletin. 159,000
Hajiits are fighting themselves off to the death because of the Delhi fighting tournament.
I always search good in bad. I also search bad in.
You know what I said, now do you see? No. Together in hell we'll spend eternity.